Hi there. So before I go on with my arm harness build, I just wanted to explain something quickly that I'll be doing in the next video or two. This pauldron, which will become a spolder attached to this arm harness, is one that I made before, and it is really nasty. It's still got this horrible machine finish on it. The rivets aren't done nicely. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these rivets out and refinish the surface, put a bit of a curve in these lames, and then polish this up and then fit this to the arm harness. And once it's fitted and I'm happy with everything, it's all going to be polished and assembled together as one unit. So thank you for watching and enjoy the video.